What's one goal that every manager in every organization wants? Regardless of the type of business, the products or services you're involved in, every manager wants his or her team to perform like a well-oiled machine, to trust and work so well together they can practically finish each other's sentences, to anticipate their team members' needs and not let them down. They're respectful, cooperative, and committed to achieving their goals, yet they feel safe enough to speak up when they uncover a problem or see an opportunity to do something better. This is what you want from your team, right? At Merit Career Development, our clients often ask for a better approach to creating high-performing teams, and we deliver with our Team Performance Workshop. This one-day course will help your team understand the 4 stages of team development, including the one where resistance, conflict, and disagreements are common, and how to move through this stage. We learn important skills to strengthen teamwork, including active and effective listening. It's really important. Not only will this course make a marked difference in the morale and productivity of your people, but it will lead to higher customer satisfaction. This is a win for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Contact Merit today.